Gucci mine in 2006. All these diamonds dancing on my fucking neck, I was like a bricks. And don't play that I be talking, all that strap don't make no sense. He $1 million nigga, don't be posting.
Yo, what's going on with you boys and girls? A different type of video today. We're finna be heading over to a car meet. I just decided, you know, whip out the camera for the one time. More lifestyle content, like I said I was gonna be putting out for y'all boys and girls. So we finna go to this car meet. I think we got some crazy cars pulling up. We got like a 5.0, a supercharged 5.0. Obviously we got my vet, you know, some other stuff, Camaros and stuff like that. But we're really just there for a good time and stuff like that. And I'm just bringing my camera because why not? You know what I'm saying? I'm a content creator. I might as well bring my freaking camera, you know, wherever I go. So we finna head over there right now. I'm finna pick up one of my boys. And yeah, I stuck right now. Ooh, chilling. We finna go over there though. Alright, y'all. Here with my boy Trini now.
What up?
Hey, he finna be my cameraman for today. But hey, we got the top down, y'all, in the vet. Y'all already know what's going on, y'all. We finna go to this car meet and see what's popping, man. Better see what's up, bro. Fuck it. Alright, y'all. We parked up at the Home Depot. We got the vet. Woo-wee. Y'all, this lighting look OD crazy right now, y'all. Sheesh. Fresh, so fresh. What you think, Trini?
That shit too perfect.
Yo, come on now. Golly. Alright, y'all, the boys pulled up. Sheesh. Little marrow. Sheesh. Little stain right here. That whole raw, nigga. Sheesh. Telling y'all boys, man, we had them boys pull up for real, boy. For real, boy. Niggas need to stop playing. Sheesh. Yeah. Alright, y'all, we made it to the car meet. These niggas already tripping, bro. God damn. Sheesh. Niggas already tripping. What you on, Trini? What you on? Hey, we made it, y'all. Nigga wildin'. Nigga wildin'. Hell yeah. In this bitch. My first car meet for real.
I'm telling you, like,
Some chill shit.
and this is like, it's alright. Sometimes they get packed.
Nah, it's pretty cool. I mean,
Nah,
I fuck with that vet.
It gets way packed sometimes.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Hey y'all, cops pulled up, y'all. We pulled up to the QT real quick. Everyone pulled back up though, nigga. Oh wow, bro. Hella shit, y'all. We still in this bitch. My boy Nick just pulled up. Hey, I think they finna drop the next low in a little bit, so we're gonna see what's up. But so crazy. Alright, we're pulling up to the next Addy. That bitch got shut down.
Nah, they're telling her to get in the fucking car.
Oh.
She said she's not drunk or some shit.
You think everybody gonna pull up again, or less people probably? But
A lot of people still pull up to this bitch. Oh god.
and the cops pull up again. What we doing?
It really touched my heart and put a big smile on my face. She don't like how I'm living, so I gotta change my ways. Ain't tryna be betrayed, no, I ain't tryna be betrayed. Before I let you disrespect, I'd rather see the grave. My loved ones up in heaven, no, they locked up in a cage. I'm going through the most right now, wish I could turn a page. Be careful what you say, my step will put two in your face. I swear this shit a shame, now my shit is full of hate. They quick to throw the blame, feel like all you bitches fake. Watch out them niggas close to you, he might just be a snake.
as fuck.
That's a lot of men I done heard.
They on God. How you feel, bro? Your first car meet?
It's cool, it's cool, it's cool. I got my boys with me, you feel me?
Yeah.
Pop put up, but you know, fuck it, we went to the next spot, you feel me? But now we just chilling right now, y'all. We just chilling for real.
Got the cat posted up. C6. All these other cars.
Shit. Should've kept going. They spin that bitch. Yo!
Nah, they have a single cat.
Yeah, that's cool. Oh shit. Nigga gonna get a straight pull out of me. That bit quick. Right, you can see him right. God. Where? Orange? Maybe. They ain't gonna do shit. Alright, y'all, we already let the car meet. I ain't gonna lie, I already about dropped my boy off and everything, but it was alright. It was live. At the end, they started doing fucking donuts and shit like that. So, hey, fuck it. It's cool for my... I don't really go to car meets like that. I only went because my boy invited me. But I'll probably go to more and more as time goes on. I mean, shit, I got a C8, so, you know what I'm saying? But, nah, everyone's cool and shit like that. No crazy shit happened. You just put it to the other spot and it was cool. If y'all fuck with this type of content, just let me know. Leave a like. Drop a comment. Be like, I fuck with it. If you got any other ideas for any other videos, let me know in the comment section. Make sure you boys and girls lock in with reselling. Everything's in my description. I love you boys and girls. I appreciate y'all for watching this video, and peace.